Today's lecture is on the master-slave hierarchical software architecture pattern. It is a variant of main subroutine architecture style which was discussed in our previous video lecture. It support for tolerance and system reliability. What is system reliability? The lifespan of something. So mostly this pattern is adopted in a hardware architecture, but it can be applied to the software programs. So this pattern increase the reliability and decrease the failure ratio. What is the concept behind master slave? Master is the controlling authority and slave works under the instructions of master. Slave provide replicated service to the master and then master select particular service. In our daily life, slave, you all have seen that slave or the employees in the department work under the head of department, receive instruction from the head. For example, if head of department is going to conduct some activity or want to do some task, so what master do, head do, he distribute the task into slaves. When the slaves or the employees work under the head of department finish their task, so the tasks are given back to the head. So similar approach is adopted and this master slave architecture is derived. The concept of main subroutine and master slave is slightly different. Although both work in the same fashion, but there the main subroutines functionalities are different. Each subroutine has a specific functionality and output. Here the slaves work on the same data, same task, but master select a specific slave data. This means the parallel computation or execution of task is possible. Slaves work in a parallel. This means synchronization of tasks by the slaves are necessary, are mandatory. This is the UML. The figure in this slide shows the class diagram for the master slave. This is master and these are slave 1 and slave 2. So master generates the 2 or can generate more the slaves, and then service is provided and copy of this service is generated. This slave service is also generated. 2 copies are generated. So how this assure reliability? Question is this: if the one slave downs or faults occur or process delay occurs, so the same replica slave is also doing the same thing. So this means the whole system is not affected. We talk in our daily life that parallel execution computation increase the efficiency or performance. So this means the system become more reliable. If one functionality downs, faults occur, other is available. Application domains of master slave architecture used where reliability is critical. This is due to the replication or repetition or redundancy of the slave. So mostly it is followed in system architectures. And remember that system architecture does not mean, hardware architecture does not mean that it is not software oriented. Or the question arises that why this is included in software architecture. So obviously the software runs on the hardware. So if the hardware is distributed in parallel devices, this means software is distributed. So at the end, the hardware functionality goal is to execute the program, software program. So alternately, the hardware execution in master slave architecture style is basically the software execution. So this was all about the master slave architecture. In next lecture we will talk about the layers and tiers. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much.